Lolita? Hello, Lolita?
Lolita la 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 la. Lolita la 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 la. Lolita la 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 la.
Because we've been quiet, that's why she's singing so quietly.
Lolita la 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 la. There you are. You're the prettiest girl. It's like the more attention you give her, the more she talks.
Yeah, when I sing, she sings. Lolita, la 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 la.
Who's a pretty girl?
Hello, hello then. Yes?
Our rescue is always expanding. In 2022 alone, we assisted in the rescuing and successful rehoming of 210 birds. We have an exciting new project that I would love to share with you. We are currently building a sunroom for our parrots. This sunroom will be able to house 25 majestic creatures and let them enjoy the sun and comfort. We are not fundraising to start building. We already paid for the construction and we are almost done. In fact, we just purchased the tiles and paint this week. Now we are raising money to help cover the cost of construction and to raise money to install proper AC system and other adjustments. You can actively make a difference by going to our Facebook fundraiser and donating directly through there. Your money will not just go to a building that will be built sometime in the distant future, it's being built right now.